Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, and today's Wednesday, November 3rd, 2021. It is 9:17 and 59 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, COVID-19. So let's hop to it here. The scientists identified new antibody for COVID-19 and variants. Antibody blocks infections and minimizes symptoms against a broad array of coronaviruses. Date November 2nd, 2021. Source, University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. An antibody effective against COVID-19 and its variants to provide a template for universal coronavirus vaccination. And this antibody has the potential to be a therapeutic for the current epidemic. It could also be available for future outbreaks, if or when other coronaviruses jump from their natural animal host to humans. The researchers isolated the antibody by analyzing the blood from a patient who had been infected with the original SARS-CoV-1 virus, which caused the SARS outbreak in the early 2000s, and from a current COVID-19 patient. And they identified more than 1,700 antibodies, which the immune system produces to bind at specific sites on specific viruses to block the pathogen from infecting cells. When viruses mutate, many binding sites are altered or eliminated, leaving antibodies ineffectual, but there are often sites on the virus that remain unchanged despite mutations. The researchers focus on antibodies that target these sites because of their potential to be highly effective across different lineages of a virus. Of the 1,700 antibodies from the two individuals, researchers found 50 antibodies that had the ability to bind to both SARS-CoV-1 virus as well as the SARS-CoV-2, which causes COVID-19. Further analysis found that one of the cross-binding antibodies was especially potent, able to bind to a multitude of animal coronaviruses, in addition to the two human-infecting pathogens. And this antibody binds to the coronavirus at a location that is conserved across numerous mutations and variations. As a result, it can neutralize a wide range of coronaviruses. Researchers tested it in mice to determine whether it could effectively block infections or minimize the infections that occurred. And they found that it did both when given before the animals were infected. The antibody protected mice against developing SARS, COVID-19, and its variants, such as Delta, and many animal coronaviruses that have the potential to cause human pandemics. The findings provide a template for the rational design of universal vaccine strategies that are variant-proof and provide broad protection from known and emerging coronaviruses. When given after infections, the antibody reduced severe lung symptoms compared to animals that were not treated with the antibody. The therapeutic activity, even after mice were infected, suggests this can be a treatment deployed in the current pandemic, but also stockpiled to prevent the spread of a future outbreak or epidemic with a SARS-related virus. And this antibody could be harnessed to prevent baby SARS-CoV-3 or SARS-CoV-4. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.